In this video, I've assembled my rebel army to fight the Imperial scum. And now, let's begin! So in this Rebel Alliance, my army consists of 23 minifigures, a U-Wing, and a Snowspeeder. So first off, we have 7 regular and Endor Rebel Troopers, 3 Hoth Troopers from the Episode 5 Empire Strikes Back, 7 different Rebel Alliance pilots, then we have the heroes from the original trilogy, consisting of Leia, Chewbacca, Han, Lando, and Luke Skywalker. And finally we have 3 of the heroes from the Rogue One movie. And that's going to wrap it up for this video, so if you would, please hit that like button and subscribe button if you enjoyed this. And also comment down below who is your favorite Star Wars character from this Rebel Alliance. And I'll see you guys next time.